All right, if you picked up one of the shiny new iPhones that Apple just rolled out the other day, you might be looking for some new charging accessories, portable power banks, 2-in-1, 3-in-1 chargers, or even just a puck to charge wirelessly. Ugreen has you covered and have been around for a number of years and offer some of those best accessory options out there. So big shout out to Ugreen for sending us these today to review. And I gotta be honest with you, not only do they have some of the best looking products, but performance-wise is unrivaled. And some of these are among the first wireless chargers certified by WPC, delivering up to 25 watts of magnetic fast charging. We'll jump into all these in a second. So we picked up the new iPhone Air and 17 Pro Max that I want to show you guys in today's video with these accessories. So from right to left, you have their new 10,000 milliamp hour portable power bank. You have a built-in cable, and if you use the cable that's built in, you get up to 30 watts of fast charging. And if you don't want to use the actual cable, you can obviously use that Qi 2 magnet to get everything charged. It actually even has a small display on the side, as you can see. We'll take a full look in it in a minute. But the magnets built into these are not only powerful, but again, you can get that real-time battery display right on the side here as well. And what's really cool is you can charge 3 devices at once because you have 2 USB-C ports and a wireless charging pad, like I said, to be able to charge everything at the same time. If you did get an iPhone 17 Pro Max, like I said, and you pair it with one of these power banks, you can get about 2 full charges off of this for your Pro Max if you are plugged in. So that is very cool. Let's go ahead and open this up and take a look. All right, so you can see the charging cable right there. We'll set that to the side for a second. Have some regulatory information and instructions, and then even in the bottom here, that extra USB-C to USB-C cable. Not too much else to it. Let's get back to the star of the show here. And again, this is 10,000 milliamp hours, so you're going to be able to get a significant charge out of it. And oh yeah, again, well built like a ton of their products are. You have a little tips sticker on here if that's something you needed to check out. Slight heating of the phone and product during charging is normal. We all know that at this point. And when phone is charging via wired connection, wireless charging will be automatically disabled. To enable it, press the power button once. So good tips to know here. There is that little display on the side. It actually has a little protective piece of plastic on it too. All right, so there is the power button on the side. You can see it came with 47% of a charge. And yeah, here is that built-in cable. Good length. Let's go ahead and actually power it this way. And you can see it starts to charge right off the bat. And it shows you that it is charging with that blue logo. So, and again, we have that extra USB-C port on the side, like we talked about, signaling that it was just being used by the USB Type-C port. But now the beauty is also, like we said, if you do want to charge another device, all you need to do is plug it in with that included built-in cable. And now both of your devices are charging together. Let me actually go ahead and press the button to activate that other pad like it said. And there we go. So both of your devices are charging with one single battery. Very cool, and definitely can see a lot of use cases for these devices. All right, so let's set this one to the side now and talk about their next items, which are going to be these multiple device chargers. So they're all magnetic wireless chargers here, no cables. You do have the ability here to charge 2 devices at once, your phone and some AirPods, or the 3-in-1, which gives you the extra additional piece there for an Apple Watch. So let's go ahead and start with this 2-in-1 and open this one up, and then go over some of the specs for this one as well. Wow, that's actually a lot smaller than I was anticipating. Still feels very sturdy and secure, but it is well built for sure. Okay, very nice. Look at that. Look at just how adjustable this is. Wow. Okay, I'm impressed. Let's set that down for a second. You can see it does let you know the cable is underneath here. And again, we got a USB Type-C cable. It is black, whereas opposed to the other one came with white, if that's something you care about. And then obviously all of your reading materials are going to be right here as well. We're going to just pluck that to the side again and take a look at the star of the show here. So let me get this actually plugged in really quick. All right, so I went ahead and just plugged it into my power bank over here just for ease of use. And you can see, again, just how compact and portable it is. And you can actually set your phone down right on it like that, and it'll start charging. Or, as you saw, you can simply flip this up, have more of a stand, and you can put something like your AirPods right down below, and it will charge those as well. Now, beyond this, if you do want to have both devices going at the same time, you can do it just like that. And look at just how nice and portable this is. As you probably heard, the AirPods just started charging. So if you travel a lot and you like to have additional chargers here, you can do so simply by getting one of these. So again, both of these options, and we'll take a look at the 3-in-1 here in a second, allow you to charge 3 devices at once, including if you wanted to use the additional USB Type-C port on the side. You can do that. They can charge simultaneously your iPhone at 25 watts, the AirPod at 5 watts, and an Apple Watch at 5 watts as well. Thanks to the foldable, ultra-portable design and adjustable angles, it's a very useful item to have. The magnets are actually strong, as you can see, and does add a nice additional benefit. So let's go ahead and set this one to the side now and look at the bigger one, the 3-in-1 that will allow you to charge your phone, watch, and AirPods all together. All right, and when you get it all open, it said, let's power up together. And you are going to have a nice wall plug, little wall adapter here that is USB Type-C. Got some heft to it. It does look good. You can see USB Type-C showing silhouettes of devices. It is a 45-watt USB-C gallium nitrate fast charger. So that's why it's so compact. It's the newer battery technology. It gives more power in a smaller package. Always good to see that included. And you have a little bit longer of another black USB Type-C cable. And here it is. Look at just how tiny it looks. It's even smaller than the power bank, I think. Actually, it's about comparable. That looks awesome. We'll compare it in a second. Let's rip this baby open. Yeah, take a look at this. It's definitely slimmer, and it is really right about the same size. That's really cool. Okay, so doesn't look like much else is in here. Go ahead and push this to the side now as well, and take a look. So, kind of similar to the 2-in-1, right? But you have a little bit less of angles you can put your phone on, but you are gaining the Apple Watch charging piece on the back as well. So I'm going to go ahead and plug this one back in now, right over here. You can see the blue light is flashing just like on the other one as well when it's ready. And let's go ahead and lift this up. Grab our AirPods, just set those down in the back. iPhone. And let's even take the Apple Watch off. I'm going to leave this flat, actually. And there you go. You can see everything charging as you would expect. That is very cool and very compact. Lots of features in the tiny package. I really do like that for traveling around and stuff like that. So obviously it is compatible with all Qi 2 devices. That'll give you 25 watts of power. iPhone, AirPods, Apple Watch. It supports 15 watts of wireless charging for the iPhone 12 to 15 series as well. And it does support Apple's standby mode natively. So if that's something you're like, and you like to just set your phone down and have it kick into standby mode, take a look at that. It will do that as well for you. All right, and lastly is the wireless charger, the Qi 2 Puck Very similar to what Apple kind of offers with their own MagSafe wireless charger. But obviously, this, to me, has a little better of a design. You have the built-in USB-C braided cable, so it looks really nice. It's a little bit thicker, better build quality in my opinion, and again, a longer USB-C cable. So, if you wanted to use this, again, put your phone straight on the pad, if I can grab it, and yeah, the magnets are there, works perfectly fine. Let's go ahead and put our Pro Max on here. Yeah, looks great. Twist it around as needed. That magnet's super strong, guys. Nothing's coming off of that. And with their new wireless chargers, it can charge a new iPhone 17 Pro Max series device in around 30 minutes. So yeah, make sure to go check out Ugreen and their MagFlow lineup. All those links will be down in the description below. So yeah, you cannot go wrong with any of these. I think it's going to be a great addition to your iPhone 17 purchase with its 25 watts of wireless fast charging, being able to support 3 devices at once with that compact design, utilizing standby mode if you want, and just make your travel so much easier. Let me know in the comments down below, what is your favorite one of these that you're going to be picking up? Thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Peace.